You know.
Hey yo, what's up guys, Brian here, and I'm back with another video. And for today's video, I mean, it's kind of late. It's kind of late. It's 7:38 p.m. and right now I'm about to go pick up my check, and I'm gonna show you guys how much I make from working on Subway. But yeah, let's just get in the road. Let's go. Not that late, but it's like late, and look at all this traffic. 7 p.m. I mean, about to be 8, and look at all this traffic. It's crazy, man. LA traffic. Shaking my head. I'm about to get copyright. So yeah, man, I just got here and now I'm about to go get my check. Maybe get something to eat. So yeah. What's Gucci, my guy?
Hey, ese Brian, ¿cómo está, amigo?
Aquí. Where's my check? Right here. Secured the bag. Now I'm about to go to the with the strippers or what? So I just got my check right here. Now I'm about to go to the strip club. I'm not gonna show it to you guys, but then I'm gonna show you guys how much I got when I get home. So yeah. What's up, Mo?
What?
This is for Paul.
Paul?
Yeah. No, right here, the video.
Why?
He told me to take a video of everything to see if you're working. Yeah. Cause he told me that you're lazy. Well, you're gonna make me something? Oh, they have to work on my day off. It's for Paul. Huh, it's for Paul, huh?
Yeah, Paul,
He wants to
Paul
see you work.
wants the video.
He wants to see how you work.
Why?
Paul wants you to talk to
He
Paul.
was telling me that you don't do anything. You on the phone all the time. You,
Always on the phone.
yeah.
This guy.
Yeah, the news. ABC, yeah. 7, what is it? LA 7 or something like that. We got her full on the jalapeno. Why she look sick? Let me get the steak and cheese, bro. I work for Uber. That's what I do. Nah.
He's a rich guy.
You rich, huh?
Also rich. More really rich.
Or what?
Paul was a singer. Paul was a professional singer.
You talk to them. It's a place. Fine. Now promotion this one for now $5.
Free promotions or what? You gotta pay me for that. That's extra, straight
All
up.
your own stuff. $3
Depends on what it is. Huh?
Huh?
It goes up to 100.
No.
Yeah.
What kind of
Woo!
We get onions and bell peppers,
Okay, this one.
and then spinach.
Subway
Right?
is this one. This one. Lady is three life is still Mark.
You gonna kill Mark?
Yeah, I kill you.
Oh, I got proof right here, bro. You're gonna go to jail.
I'm gonna call the cops on you.
I got the proof right here. And spinach.
Not the bomb your car.
Or police.
Nah, chill.
Not the bomb your car. Shut up.
No, nothing. I love you, Mark.
So I just got my check. I mean, I just left from work, and look at all this traffic. I mean, it's moving, kind of moving, barely, barely. But yeah, it's ridiculous, bro. It's like 8 p.m. Why is there traffic? Like, why? And I'm gonna put this away before I crash or something. Oh shit, there's a cup right there. God damn. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. So I just got to my house, and now let's talk about how much I made in those 2 weeks, because we get paid every 2 weeks. So I'll make sure you guys don't see it, because I don't want you guys stealing my shit, man. Okay. But yeah, man, from those 2 weeks I work for 45 hours, and we get paid I think it's $13.25 or $14.20, I forgot. I think it's $13.25 an hour. But yeah, my check came out to be $582.70. And that's how much I make from working at Subway every 2 weeks. So yeah, now you guys know. So yeah, it is the next day. I just woke up and I'm gonna end the video here. So go follow me on my social medias right here. I think somewhere around here. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace out, Boy Scouts.
I feel like $1,000,000 bucks, but my money don't really feel like I do. And from the ground I build my own damn buzz.